Hey, Kathleen here. I have had the Luxe Bidet Neo 320 Plus attachment on my toilet for almost 2 years. So I wanted to do an updated review, tell you how it works, but also share our experience with you. Okay, so this is the Luxe toilet seat. It's for Luxe Bidets, and you don't have to have it, I don't think, but I got it because I was getting the Luxe Bidet attachment. This attachment is fairly simple. It's just put here, when you're putting the toilet seat on, and just screwed in, and it's just one piece. It lifts up to clean underneath, and then you've got the two attachments for your water, your hot and your cold. This is the 320 Plus, which does have the hot and the cold. So it was easy for my contractor to do this when we were renovating the bathroom, but it really isn't going to be too difficult for anybody to retrofit, even in a bathroom that is already established. So this is the connection to the cold water, and this is the connection to the hot/warm water. My contractor did bring up the question about whether I really wanted hot water, and I said, go ahead and hook it up, because you can adjust this to cold to hot. So you're able to adjust it. And in fact, I've never really gotten hot water because I need to let my water run. And I'm not gonna stay here that long. So it depends on your household, how you have things set up, where your water heater is, all that kind of stuff. But for me, I've never gotten anything more than kind of tepid water. But anyway, this is how it works. You've got your feminine indicator here. So that'd be for front. You've got your wash, which is for your back side, and then you've got your nozzle clean here. When you lift this up, you're going to get spray from here. These will drop down, spray, and then go back up. It is really pretty simple. It will squirt me probably if I try to show it to you. I can try. You can see that there's water coming out because I'm barely pulling this up. Okay, if you have this on wash for your backside, it's going to spray closer to you. And then if you have the feminine on, it's going to spray a little further. So, really, that's the bulk of it. Like I said, you will lift this up just to clean underneath and clean, but it really doesn't interfere with the regular function of the toilet seat, the cleaning, anything like that. So that's pretty much it in a nutshell. We really have enjoyed having this and being able to use it. I was a little bit scared at first, and I had read some things, and so I did a little research, but in the end we have really appreciated having this, and we would highly recommend it.